Hi everyone, welcome to Crochet Rocks. Here we are back at Poundland. Just thought I'd do a quick video, see what we've got on offer. I'm just going to pause the video until we get to the yarn section. Right, here we are. We've got a few bits and pieces. Looking at it, we've got some of the peachy colour that goes into little flowers. We'll grab some of that. Oh, I think I've left my basket too far away. Sorry about the quick movement. Sorry about that. Now that's a new one on me. I've not seen this one before. Just like a burgundy coloured DK. It's very soft, very nice. And we've got it in red too. I wanted red in Aran, but they don't really do very much in the way of Aran yarn, which is a 4-weight in the US, but this lots of DK in the UK. DK in the UK sounds good. But this one, that's the lighter peach colour. I've been using the darker. And what we got down here? I'm not really keen on this one. I don't like the way it works up. It's a bit funny. But I've got the baby pink. It's very, very wishy-washy. And we've got grey. That's Aran. That's quite soft. Some of the Aran isn't. That's a horrible one again. I don't like that. And I love this one. I've still yet to make my shawl. I've got loads of that. Go further down and we've got the mint green. Again, all DK, which is a 3-weight in the US. And more baby pink. I do have quite a bit of this chunky. I'm going to make maybe make something for the 2020 Ice Yarn Challenge from that. This is a nice blue. It's a baby blue, but it's really quite pearly. It's nice. Again, very soft DK. The brights you're all familiar with. Going down. Don't think my knee's very happy. We've got this grey DK. Now this is really nice. This works up lovely. I've got a little bit of this. It's such beautiful pastel shades. And get some more. Grab 3 of those. Sorry. And is this the darker? No, this is the Aran weight, the 4-weight peach colour. Just bear with me while I put these away. And then we got just white, very soft, lovely baby yarn, but DK, plenty of that. And then there's the sparkly white. Got quite a bit of that too. And this one, I do love this. So I shall get another 3 of those. Ooh, threw that one on the floor. Grab another one. I'll get that in a minute. I've only got that one of this. So yeah, not got very much in today. And this grey is very nice. I just wish they had more in the way of Aran yarn, more 4-weight.
Oh, yeah,
and I wish also they had the darker peach.
Look at these.
Bear with me 1 second while I pick that. I think I'll get some more of this one. It's always handy to have that. But that's all they've got here today. Might get a little bit of this grey as well because it's kind of a pretty grey. So I think that's enough for today. So if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. I'm knocking it about now. And you'll be informed when there's new videos. I might be doing a little bit of a giveaway with some of the yarns that I've got here today. So thanks for watching and bye-bye for now.